in Newark Antiques Fair yet again, and it's a lovely, very cold day, but very, very lovely. You can see there are plenty of stalls in the market, and it's actually the right time that we're here because let's talk about the C word. It's not coronavirus, it's Christmas. So we're talking about, say, trends for 2021. A lot of it is based on sustainability and how we can actually make our homes a little bit more, I would say, kind of more use elements that will last longer, that we can actually recycle year after year. And being at home has actually made us think about how we can actually make our homes more sustainable and use more sustainable products. So now is the ideal moment that we can actually talk about, with Christmas, what we can actually use for, to use as Christmas decorations, how we can actually make our homes sustainable but also Christmas friendly in a way, and decorate them. So we have, for example, we can use here, you can see there's one of these. This idea is great in that you can actually get pine cones easily found. You can just find them anywhere, and you see here they're being spray painted. So that is a great idea. Do yourself, do it with your children, they would love that. Put them all in a basket. You can actually put some greenery around the basket as well. And that's just one very quick, simple idea for Christmas. Get the family involved. And you can put these away when Christmas is over and bring them out again. Or if you really like them, just keep them out.